Introducing the Galaxy S8 with an infinity screen that gives you less to hold and much more to see.
A civil danger warning has been issued by your local authorities and state police. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted by the Ohio State Police at 3:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Since this is a civil danger warning, this message will transmit to the whole state of Ohio. This message is for Athens County, Ohio. There is no news or information at this time, but the Athens County Police wants to remind all residents to turn off all electronic instrumentation devices that can receive email, such as a phone, desktop, laptop and tablet. Currently, as of 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Big Email Service Providers has stated their email services has been breached. The email clients are Microsoft's Outlook, Google's Gmail, Yahoo Mail and AOL Mail. This applies to anyone who uses these services. They also stated to change your password and to unplug your router's source, Microsoft, Google, AOL, Yahoo. Time: 3:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are KNTV, and we will serve the city of Athens, Ohio area. If you are not in this local area, tune to your local area now. The emergency alert system has been activated.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This tower is running at 9400 frequency in Athens County, Ohio. Currently outside it's 23 degrees with a 25% chance of snow. Rain chances are highly unlikely for next week in December 2nd through the 5th. Now transmitting to the emergency alert system.
The following message is transmitted by the Ohio State Police. Since this is a law enforcement emergency, this will transmit throughout the state of Ohio. At 4:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Ohio State Police has found and traced the source from the disturbance. It was found to be not Smile Dog, but a computer hacker called Ben Drowned. The Ohio State Police is currently trying to shut down the hacker or make peace. Now returning you to NOAA Weather Radio.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This transmitter is currently running at 2.54.55 Hz in Athens County, Ohio. Currently in Athens County 32 degrees. With mixed storms throughout the weekends. Current weather conditions, moderate. With the humidity being high.
This is an emergency action termination. This message is transmitted by the Ohio State Police Department. This message is effective as of 5:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The hacker called Ben Drowned and Ohio Police has made armistice. Using a website called Cleverbot, Ben Drowned promised to not harm no one's computer no more. This is an emergency action termination message. All broadcasting may resume to their regular scheduled programming.
All SpongeBob, what happened?
Plankton cheated.
Cheated? Hold on there, Baldy.
Breaking news. Hello, welcome to the News 24 newsroom. Apparently there has been a woman found in a bathroom in a park in Pigeon Forge. Apparently local officials say that she has been raped and apparently is currently talking with police. Let's go to our correspondent Carlos. Carlos, are you there? Is she there?
Hello, Mike. There are so many police cars here and sirens like it's hard to talk. But can you hear me good? But hey wait, the lady said that our child was taken away by the man. Oh my, got the camera.
Do something! Barry? Alright, that's the last straw! Neptune, I command you!
Here you go, Daddy.
Hey, you better get out of here.
Look! It's the wizard who saved us!
Out of my way, fools! Ow! 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 Ow!
Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today's video is going to be inside of, I don't know actually. This is going to be like a Christmas Eve type vlog. I don't know. As you can see, I'm just drinking Coke Zero, trying to code. I have to use my speaker for a freaking prop. Okay, I'm making a program right now, just for like a simple little program for me. And yeah, that's about it. Surface Book 2, this is, what? Oh. Neat. Oh yeah, and thank you for 100 subscribers. Let me go pull that up. $115.
The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXJ21's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXJ21, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville,
Cherokee me!
Lawrence, Dewberry, Oconee, Pickens, Spartanburg, and
Let's see what's going on in here. This is why I don't trust my TV. I swear, if there was a freaking nuclear attack, I bet it won't even tell me. Heck, I'll be blown on the crap anyway. Heck, everybody, if you went White House, would be freaking out. Like, them fat people sent nukes.
3:10 p.m. The record high is 76 degrees.
Okay, screw you. I just wanted to test. You ain't nothing good but test, okay? Okay, you good for like, I didn't want you to Google. You actually good for like real emergencies, but there ain't no real emergency. Now, TV, I got something to tell you. You suck. You need to go get your... I don't know when they're going to do another national periodic test. I think they should do it January. Another national periodic. I would love to have that in January. Or 2020, because they usually do it every 4 years or so. They've been doing it every 1 year. I think it'll be completed if they do on they usually do it around September and stuff, since 9/11. They did the National Periodic Test for 2017 on September 12th. They did it after 9/11, so, hey. I don't know why they didn't activate the EAS on 9/11. That would have been amazing if that happened. Like the national emergency. That would have been the first actual real national emergency of the emergency alert system, which it was designed for. Now they're trying to fit it into all this weather stuff, and I don't think it's supposed to be built like that. I think they're going to replace it by 2020. When Trump gets off office, I'm sure someone will replace it. Because it is trash. It's okay, it gets the job done, but sometimes it don't. Sometimes it failed. We have 2 national periodic tests that failed. I think the 2016 one failed, but the 17 one actually worked. Was the first one that worked. And, yeah. So, I can't hate on the EAS because, hey, if we did get nuked, who's going to tell us? Because the president can't address it because he'll be telling what the military what to do. Freaking Pence and a president will be down in the bunker telling the military officers what to do and telling them what to send to North Korea. And while the American public be over there crapping their pants and not knowing what to do. I imagine that the EAS would say, we'll shoot down the missile. Don't worry, we're shooting down the missile. Because it probably just hit the Atlantic Ocean or hit Antarctica 1. Because North Koreans don't know their math. Like me, don't know their math. They'll probably hit Antarctica. They thought Antarctica was the United States. What if they literally, oh, yeah, it's icy, just like me, hit it. They probably want to bomb Antarctica, UK, and everything. They want to be the only country left on Earth. Hello, guys. Welcome to our video. I just woke up, so I don't know. Hey Google, what's up?
Just searching for answers to life's big and small questions. What can I help you with?
What time is it?
It's 11:26.
I'm gonna get me something to eat. My mom went out because my grandmother's sister was like, someone died? I don't know. I tried to put everything on my disc and it still did not work. Let's get that away. What's in the fridge? Yay play. I want some yogurt. What is this kind? And what is this kind? Strawberry, strawberry. Win-win. It's like a win-win situation here. Dang it. I dropped something. Oh. Let's get a plate. We got a plate. What can I get? Oh, rice cake. Perfect. I'll have a rice cake. Okay. I want Doritos. This is like a feast for me. Like, yeah, Doritos, fine. Take the whole bag. Coke Zero, Go Play, Doritos, and Xbox One X on it. Okay. Oh, I just saw the EAS about to come on. Let's see what time it is. 11:29. Okay. Making my coffee. Perfect. And we got Go Play, rice cake, and Coke Zero. And Doritos. Let's see what size this is. Is that this family size? And normal size. I'm gonna have to do this stuff. Is that good hot? Good and hot? Yeah, good enough. Baby looking pretty in a whole time. I made coffee last night and it stayed overnight. Like in my Yeti, it stayed overnight. That was amazing. I'll put like 1 full teaspoon. Remember, I just woke up, so this is my morning activities. Like my first wake up. So if y'all don't know what I do when I first wake up, there you go. For all y'all people who likes to know what the people do when they first wake up, you've heard YouTubers do when they first wake up. This is what FCCS Freak does. Do overload on food. Well, this is technically my lunch, because I already woke up. I'll move it the camera.
This is only a test. The alarm is loud. The alarm is loud. The test starts.
Motherfucker, that testing again?
Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, cancel.
I stopped it. I liked it to test around this time because lunchtime it tests my fire alarm test. I don't know why I put in British voice. I have my Siri in a British voice. Hoping that I don't spill my coffee. I gotta take slow steps to ensure that I don't spill my coffee. Okay. Here's my lunch. Xbox control out of the way. Coke Zero, Doritos, yogurt, this, and coffee. Okay, I gotta fix this voice because I don't like British voices. I do like it for a minute, but now I don't like it. But we're just gonna hear it. I'm gonna just spray my. Just got my snack, my lunch for today. Okay, yogurt. Whatever. I don't know what this is. What kind is it? I think it's pizza hot pocket. I don't know. Martin Luther King Day tomorrow. Oh, there ain't no space. Okay, I gotta type it. There we go. I can barely type in one hand. And I'm using this news filter, whatever. So, how's y'all guys' days been? Mine, pretty good. Mine has been pretty good. And let's see what current time it is. 3:54. I've been working on this for about 2 hours now. And I haven't ate nothing, so I'm kind of ready to eat something, because I'm going to take a break, watch YouTube, and eat my food. Let's see if I can watch TV on this through my Xbox app. Because if you don't know, I have an Xbox up right over there. Let me show you. I ain't zooming in. If it'll zoom in far enough. I have an Xbox right over there. And I want that Xbox to, I'm gonna make the Xbox project. What's that? Okay, but I'm gonna just, I'm watching YouTube. I don't know why, I always like Nashville. I always like Nashville. No, not Nashville. Pigeon Forge. I love Pigeon Forge. I visit there every year. I love it. It's like, let's see where it is. Map. Map, please. I think it's in the middle. I forgot. Nope. Right there, right there. But we was in a different time zone. No, we was doing Eastern Standard Time, because Eastern Standard Time covers over there. Over here. That's Central. That's Central. And over there's the West Coast is freaking... There's Mountain Time too, but no one likes that. I rarely do Mountain Time. If I ever do one. We're doing a child abduction emergency to start it off, because this Filipino lullaby girl is gonna, let's see what she looks like. Lullaby. Okay, I don't know how to spell it, so let's see. Hypnos, lullaby, or something like that. Hey Google, what's a Hypno Pokemon?
According to Wikipedia, Pokemon is a media franchise managed by the Pokemon Company, a Japanese consortium between Nintendo, Game Freak.
Okay, it's a freaking little wolf. That looks like a freaking, looks like it belongs in Luigi's Mansion. Okay, that looks like it belongs in Luigi's Mansion. Okay, I thought it was that. Is it that? Okay, that's weird. That looks like something Caddy would read. But sure, I'll do it. Do you want me to do the fox or the... I don't know. I don't know what she wants me to do, but... I'll... special thanks for finding EAS community. What did I use in the video? Okay, I gotta give some credit. I'll be right back, okay?